Servus, ich bin Roczen und wir fahren heute ein bisschen Impala. Getting the win for Germany was so sick. We went riding. Was my first time in the sand. You know, I rode the GP in Teutschenthal, and afterwards I jumped on the 250 again, and it's been a while, so it was kind of weird. But we went practice in Grevenbroich, and you know, I felt pretty good after the first time riding, so I was pumped to go to the weekend, and you know, the weekend was pretty amazing. We didn't do anything wrong. We were pretty strong Saturday, and I almost thought that we were too strong Saturday, so I was kind of hoping we didn't use all our luck and everything. So, but the Sunday was amazing after we got the win, and we had a pretty decent party too. So, overall, it was amazing. Having number 94 is probably, I don't know, the best. It's just awesome to ride and know to have the 94, and I feel like everything is flowing a little better. So, you know, now we need to start getting serious. Yeah, it was definitely awesome to be back home with family, friends, and you know, I haven't been, you know, I've done everything but riding, so first time back today. And in general, you know, Mariah came over for a week, and we had a lot of fun. You know, she's never been in Germany, so it was fun to check things out. And in general, I really enjoyed it. Charged my batteries. It was almost kind of like I need vacation from the vacation. But you know, overall, I really charged my batteries.